Hello, this is William Coggins, a part of the Data Stealers project group for Data Focused Python.
Hello, this is Carlos Velasquez.
Hello, this is Ashim Singh.
And today we will be showing you our program. Unfortunately, Hong, our fourth member, is sick, so we could not have her present with us today. Now, Data Stealers has a very important proprietary program that allows us to use the best technology and analytics available to compare two teams for both risk analysis, understanding their chances of winning, and understanding what everyone else thinks about them. So let's get on to, our first feature, analyzing a team's performance. In the prompt shown, we are given a list of teams that we are able to choose from, going from the Arizona Cardinals to the Washington Redskins. So, for instance, let's choose the Pittsburgh Steelers, number 27. And who they'll be playing against will be the Baltimore Ravens, number 3. As we saw right here, it predicts the winner between the two teams, which is in this case the Pittsburgh Steelers. The process as to how that was created is that it looks to the teams and it looks to the statistics assorted by the team's win records, their percentage records, as well as which team has the home field advantage. All of these statistics are compiled along with the quarterback statistics in order to bring to us a most accurate idea of which team would win given the situation. Now on to our second feature, which is our betting strategy. Basically, what the betting strategy is all about is that it looks towards understanding if you have a portfolio of teams you want to bet on, which teams you want to bet on, and how you want to reduce or maximize the amount of risk that you do. In this, we require users to enter in the team's 3-character code in order for you to properly analyze them. So, for instance, let's say we want to have 2 teams in our portfolio. One of the teams I think we would want to maybe analyze instead of the Pittsburgh Steelers, let's go with the Washington Redskins, number 5. Next, let's look at the Dallas Cowboys, which is another team within the NFC East, number 9. As you can see, this prompt shows a risk analysis for how or what is the most likely amount we ought to bet between the two teams when looking at their statistical significance. This is data that has been combed through and collected through a multitude of different areas, and as such provides the best sort of risk analysis that we can offer here at Data Stealers. And this is a optimal portfolio that was calculated that shows again that sort of optimal risk a person can take, the picture acting as the curve for which a person might land themselves on. Now, let us talk about our last and possibly one of our most highly contested features, which is understanding sentiment. So, what is sentiment? Sentiment is often enough the perceived idea of how a team is doing. So, as one might maybe know, between the Chargers and the Steelers, there was a game where the Steelers lost, unfortunately. This set Twitter ablaze, leading to a different proportion or understanding of how the team is perceived by popular audiences. We use this as a second metric to understand or to compare how two teams are faring as far as what the public thinks about them, as that might inform people not only betting odds, but as well as understanding how likely one team is going to win against the other. As we can see here, we see that the Pittsburgh Steelers have had rather a controversial look as to what their perception looks like, with positive percentages only being 22.3%, negative also being at the same amount, meaning they are equal, and neutral being at least 56, compared to the Los Angeles Chargers, which has had a huge portion of its, we'll say, talking points about it being received as being positive. So, in the comparison between the two teams, it would seem reasonable to say that the Chargers have a more positive outlook when compared to the Pittsburgh Steelers. This concludes our project demonstration. We hope that you enjoyed this demonstration and hope that you shop with us here at Data Steelers. Thank you for coming.